Are you ready to hear the top 5 things you need to do right now, whether you're selling or not, this winter to be ready for next spring? Steve Kinne with the Kinne Group at Compass, your total agent. Get ready. Here we go. Number 1, winterize your lawn. Right now, it's middle of November. Get out there and winterize your lawn. Pick that winterizer up, make sure to get the right one, but get it down now. So that way in spring, all those weeds don't start popping up, your grass is green and looking tight. Number 2, redo that front door. You're about to start having family over for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and everything in between. What about those carolers? They're gonna knock. Does anybody carol anymore?
Good tidings we bring to you and your kin.
Get that dingy front door restained. It's gonna cost $300. You're gonna love it. You're gonna feel good when you come up to your home and when you put that Christmas wreath on. Do it today.
You know, you and my wife have a lot in common.
Number 3, go get your bushes now. Now is the time to buy bushes. Save 50, 60, 70% off. Your house will be looking good for the winter when folks arrive. And in spring, guess what? You just saved a bundle of money because they're gonna mark them up come spring. Do it today. You're gonna love the way your house looks. Number 4, check this out. Buy yourselves a combined gift. What about that old dingy chandelier in the dining room? Instead of spending $200 or $300 on each other for Christmas on gifts you may or may not want, spend $300, $400, $500. Get that new chandelier, put it up. You're gonna hug each other on Christmas Day and say, wow, what a great thing we did. Doorknobs, you can usually put doorknobs in your whole house for $700, $800, $900, under $1,000 certainly. Those doorknobs need to be changed anyway. Upgrade those doorknobs. It's cheap and easy and you're gonna love your house even more. Get some shutters done. They're a little more expensive, but man, you're gonna love them. They're gonna last for years and years and years. Number 5, go change that air filter. You've got to change the air filter. It's gonna be tough on your system. It's gonna be hurting it because in Houston, we're back and forth, back and forth. Change that AC filter, get it fresh, get the air clean. That's a cheap and easy thing to do now. Get your AC tech out there now ahead of your heater going out. Have you turned it on yet? You probably haven't. Get it checked out by the HVAC guy. He'll make sure you're in tip-top form and that it's safe before the time you need it. At the same time, he can check your AC. You'll be ready for spring. Those are my top 5 things you need to do today ahead of spring for your home to be ready, whether you're selling or not. If you are selling, the Kinne Group at Compass, Steve Kinne, your total agent. Call me.